This video will go over a daily service walkaround for a BBI Liberty ground-driven spinner spreader with hydraulic-driven spinners. This will cover grease points, wear inspection, and how to keep your BBI Liberty in field-ready condition for years to come.
Check your hydraulic fittings where they're plugged to your tractor. Make sure everything is properly installed here, no leaks or anything here. Here is your eliminator valve for your spinner speed. Light plug for your tail lights. Check your bearings every day for proper grease. Also check your mesh chain for proper tension on your mesh chain. You see back through there where it is barely skimming this front angle, resting on the one in the center, to make sure you have proper tension on that mesh chain so it don't bounce around at the back and get caught up on the rear roller and break the chain. This machine does not have tires on it yet, but make sure you check lug nuts every day. Make sure your lug nuts are tight. Check your lights, make sure your lights are working properly. Also, same thing here, rear roller bearings for grease, make sure they're properly greased. Got bearings underneath the spinners, make sure they are properly greased. Also, daily, these are a sealed bearing, but still need to put 1 to 2 shots in every day because they are spinning so much. Make sure they have grease in them where they don't lock up. Check your spinner motors, make sure no hydraulic leaks coming out of your spinner motor. Also check your flow divider. Flow divider grease the crank handle right there, and then the bearing here, make sure your flow divider runs in and out properly when turning the handle. Come around to the ground wheel, make sure your ground wheel chains are tight where they don't jump cogs on you. Make inside one. Your high-low sprockets, make sure your chain's here. This is your low rate sprocket, the big one. High rate sprocket's the small one, the inside one. You loosen the nut here, push your idler sprockets up. You can swap the chain over from this sprocket to this one for your application rate change. Then properly tighten your idler sprocket back down where your chain is tight again. Check your bearings on the rear shaft. Also, you have 1, 2, 3 bearings on the ground wheel here, and 4th one inside here. Make sure you have those greased daily. Check your ground wheel, make sure your nuts is not backed off here. Check your cylinder, make sure you have no faulty cylinder, no hydraulic leaks on your cylinder. These two here are for your cylinder, raise and lower. This is your case drain hose here on the bottom here. Cylinder, case drain, spinner return hose coming back to the tractor. Parts manual tube, serial number tag. Yellow is case drain. These two are your spinner pressure and return. These two are for your ground wheel cylinder. Make sure your safety chain is not loose, installed. Got your jack handle. Basically, that's about it for a Liberty plug to tractor pull type.